Build a stable and rewarding career with County Pre-Stress and Precast. Our team leads the manufacturing industry with advanced construction techniques and materials. We help communities build safe, reliable, and durable buildings and infrastructure. Our commitment to producing quality concrete products and providing unmatched service has earned the trust of construction professionals. Our team members take pride in working for a company that demonstrates integrity and excellence. We provide hands-on training to ensure team members feel confident on the job. Safety is our top priority, and we consistently provide safety awareness and resources so team members go home to the families and hobbies they love. We also invest in quality machinery and cutting-edge technology. County Pre-Stress and Precast offers competitive wages and benefits, and opportunities for growth and relocation. Our team of hard-working people are advancing their careers within our dynamic company and building stronger communities.